Hey everybody, hopefully this helps you out here. I've got a Yamaha TLR 90. It has had a failed fuel pump. This is the pump here. So this is the model, if you have the same. And the symptoms were it was bogging down at full throttle. The throttle was all the way down and the engine would not go. So I took a photo of just this tag and I entered it into an AI app and described what was going on. Basically just wide open throttle, nothing was happening, and then also at idle speed after running it. It would start up and idle fine, but after running it was basically dying. So the pump, which is hooked up to the block, has a little hole. This little hole here, these two holes, this is the hole here that gets the pressure from the engine. These two holes are for the mounting screws. So there's your mounting screws, and then there's a hole behind there. The engine, I believe just this bottom cylinder creates pressure, which allows a bladder in here to flex, which cracked. This bladder here should be flexing, but you can see around the outside it's actually cracked. So part of the diagnostic was to pull all the plugs, and this plug here was actually wet with gas. So basically the pump, the fuel enters here and goes through here, and it should not leave this other than this spot here, and it was coming out the back side of this hole here and flooding this bottom cylinder. They do sell rebuild kits, but it was cheaper, in my opinion, just to replace it.